I'm Brad Hogan, COO and Integrator here at Hogan Design Construction. We wanted to let you know that we have been and remain open, declared a necessary business amid this COVID-19 outbreak, and we continue to practice social distancing and follow the guidelines outlined by the CDC. For those of you who know us, you know that we are deeply rooted within our communities, and that the safety, health, and well-being of our clients, staff, and trade partners are our utmost priority now more than ever. So we wanted to take this opportunity to let you know the additional steps that we are taking to protect ourselves, our clients, and our community during this uncertain time. Rest assured, we will not perform work on any project unless all parties feel completely comfortable. No employee will be forced to work, nor any client pushed to move forward on any project if they do not feel safe. HDC employees and trade partners are required and continue to monitor their health daily to detect any signs of potential symptoms of COVID-19 and must report them to management immediately. We will screen all visitors, employees, and trade partners, ensuring that anyone who is showing signs of illness is not permitted onto an HDC job site or within our office. We have provided our entire team with masks, gloves, and hand sanitizers, and all staff has been instructed to wear masks when making store runs, as well as required to wash their hands regularly. Our staff is also willing and may choose to wear gloves and/or masks when meeting face-to-face with clients. We continue to run all in-house meetings virtually to avoid any unnecessary contact at this time, and are happy to run client meetings virtually via Zoom, phone, FaceTime, or any means that works best for both parties. HDC is not and will not stack trade partners within confined spaces at this time in order to expedite schedules. We do this for the protection of all involved. Our team are also greatly limiting store runs, office visits, and any unnecessary contact of any kind. Every HDC job site will be labeled with COVID-19 health check signs at each point of entry, and our company will provide hand sanitizers for all job sites. Additionally, if washrooms are not available on site, we will provide hand washing stations. We will fully protect job sites with 3 mil plastic barriers whenever possible to separate the workspace from the living space, and can provide a build clean unit to auto filter air within the job site upon clients' requests. Lastly, every job will be broom cleaned and tidied after each day of work, and all job sites will be thoroughly and professionally cleaned after a project is completed. We remain at your service, and from all of us at Hogan Design Construction, stay safe, stay healthy, and whenever possible, stay home.